If you spend hours wrestling with complex Excel formulas, cleaning up messy data, or manually copying and pasting info into Google Sheets, what if an AI agent could do all of that heavy lifting for you in seconds? Today, we're looking at GPT for Work, an AI assistant designed specifically for Excel and Google Sheets that claims to completely change how we handle spreadsheets. So, how does it actually work? Instead of writing complex nested formulas, you can literally just type what you need in plain English. You can ask it to generate formulas, format your cells, fix errors, build pivot tables, and analyze trends. But the real superpower of GPT for Work is its bulk processing. If you have thousands of rows of data, you can write one prompt template for a column, and the AI will apply it row by row to clean, translate, categorize, or enrich your data at scale. It can handle up to 1,000 answers per minute, managing hundreds of thousands of rows in Google Sheets and up to 1 million rows in Excel. Plus, for advanced users, you can use custom functions like GPT directly inside your cells, or even use their AutoSheet API to run a Google Sheet agent automatically. It's powered by some of the world's most capable models, including Opus 4.8 and GPT 5.5. Now, let's talk about the reviews. To be completely transparent, we don't have a massive database of independent, third-party critical reviews to pull from today. However, the official numbers are massive. The tool has over 7 million installations, carrying a 4.8-star rating from over 4,000 users on one major marketplace and a 4.5-star rating on another. Professionals, from SEO traffic managers to tech founders, praise it as a game changer that actually earns its place in a daily workflow, especially for bulk tasks like product and company enrichment. If you want to stop wasting time on manual data entry and let AI build your models and clean your sheets, GPT for Work is definitely worth checking out. You can try it for free to see if it fits your workflow. Have you tried using AI in your spreadsheets yet? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews.